I'm here in Isala Phap station in Bangkok. And today is a Thai New Year, which means Songkran. So it's gonna be a lot of water splash later today. So it's gonna be my first time, so I'm quite excited to go to Khao San Road, which is the most vibrant street in Bangkok. So I'm gonna go there later. But first thing first, I wanted to visit some of the famous temple here because I've been in the Bangkok for 1 week or so, but I haven't visited the famous temple here yet. So on my way Khao San Road, I'm gonna visit 2 big temple here. So without further ado, let's get started. I just arrived at the first destination of the day. This place is Wat Arun, and then on the outside there's a rental costume places. And I'm not sure if Thai people come and visit temple on the New Year's Day, but quite a lot of people around here. Maybe it's because holiday season. So let's buy the ticket and then enter this temple. It is for drink. Okay, thank you. Alright, I'm inside the temple right now, and then this water bottle came with a ticket. And then there's a really tall, I think pagoda, I guess. It's just right in front of me. Yeah, it's so colorful, very elegant. I think I need to get closer to take a look at kind of mosaic things. Alright, so now I arrive at the Wat Arun. This one is really beautiful temple. If you take a close look at this mosaic tile things, it's very beautiful temple. It's pretty much good attention to the detail. But here are the things. First of all, it's pretty hot right now. This spot, it's 10 a.m. It's pretty hot. And then second of all, way too many people and a lot of picture taking. Everybody sits in the corner like here, and then take a picture. So this temple, it's pretty good. I think it's worth a visit if you want to take a picture. It's very Instagram worthy in my opinion. But other than just taking a picture, I think not so many things going on. So I'm gonna go to the next destination. And then you see my sweat, so hot right now. Alright, let's go to the next destination. So I'm on my way next destination, but kind of different tradition going on here. It seems like people donate the money and they slip into the herb stick and then put it on and they take water and they pour into the plant. And here people donate and then take a bottle of water and they pour water on the statue of Buddha over there. So I feel kind of interesting because we don't do that in Japan. So cultural difference between Japan, Thailand, it seems. Let's go to the next destination then. So I took a ferry and they came to the other side to go to Wat Pho, and it was only 5 birds, and the ride time is like only 1-2 minutes. Alright, so from here I'm gonna go to Wat Pho, one of the famous temple in Thailand. And yeah, there's a lot of local eatery around here. It's kind of local vibe going on around here. Alright, so let's go then. Alright, so I think it's like only 2 minutes away from the boat station. I already arrived at the Wat Pho, and then I'm getting inside right now. Oh, this way? Thank you. So I paid the entrance fee and ready to get inside, but it's quite a long queue around here and it's so crowded. Seems like if you donate and then you can gently you can gently get hit by something, the bamboo things, I think. Alright, so let's get inside then. So this is the biggest? I'm not sure if it's biggest, but huge reclining Buddha. It's so huge and impressive, but what's more is the people. Way too crowded right here. So many people. Right, so I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, so way too many people right now. So I'm at the back of his foot right now. But if you take a close look at the foot, there's a really beautiful detailed mosaic at the back of his foot. It's really beautiful. But again, there's a lot of people. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, so I'm done with walking inside this temple, and then I found this tree. I think you write down New Year's resolution and then hang it on tree. I guess if it's so, it's pretty similar to what we have in Japan. Maybe the display is different, but we have a similar culture in New Year. I think I'm gonna explore a little bit more and then go to the Khao San Road. Alright, I'm on my way Khao San Road, and then I'm kind of roaming around inside a pagoda place, and then people are making a kind of small triangular pagoda with a sand here. It's kind of very interesting to see the culture like this because we don't have the kind of things in Japan. So yeah, let's go to the next destination. I'm going to the Khao San Road right now, but I happen to come back this beautiful King Palace or something like that. Also, there's another beautiful temple over there, and then I think this place is a pretty good place to walk around. So it seems like a water festival is already happening in Khao San Road, according to my friend on WhatsApp group. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going to the Khao San Road. So I came to the Khao San Road now, but as you can see, it's kind of quiet, right? Like it's 12 noon right now. Yeah, some people like doing some water splashing, but for now it's really quiet. So let's kind of walk around a little bit. So I'm not sure where the center of this Khao San Road, but there are some, there are some like a water. So there's some men over here, and then there's another one. You can also refill the water over here. The water gun fight is already happening, so you can buy the water gun over there. It's kind of fun though. I think I want to have one of those. I think I already found that this is the entrance to go to that hotel. So I'm gonna get to this one, and then it's so crowded on the other side. So I'm gonna through this one and then go to the other side. Yeah, so crowded over there. Can you see that? It seems like this is take this one. It's not good to have a camera here. So this is a lot of like a water gun fighting is going on, and it's kind of slippery, so you got to be really careful. I don't have a gun to fight with, but so right now I think it's still daytime. It's kind of quiet, but towards the night it's gonna be, I think, vibrant. Alright, so let's roam around this place a little bit. It's kind of really good vibe here. Some people have a gargle. I think it's good to have a gargle. So I bought one rent. I can. Right now I can attack people with it. It's quite fun, to be honest. It's actually so fun. I think it's so good how during the daytime. Mine's so weak. I'm close to the exit right now. We're on the other side of the entrance, and we're going out to the street right now. It was so fun. So it was so fun. It was so fun to be honest. But still during daytime, I think more people is gonna come towards evening. It's so good that they are not so crowded, so you can still move around, because I heard at night there gonna be a lot of people. You cannot move around basically. So right now it's good time to come. I got the one time the water hit my eye, so you better to wear goggles or better to have sunglasses, I would say. I'm gonna go back right now. I'm come back in the afternoon or evening. But it's actually really fun. So if you like the content like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next adventure. Peace. Alright, I just came back from Khao San Road. It was so fun to be in Khao San Road to have a water gun fight with a stranger, because we had enough space to move around, but until 3 p.m. Actually, I left there, but I came back to join my friend, which was around 4 p.m. But at that time, it became overcrowded already. We actually wanted to go to the bar in the middle of the street, but we are not able to reach there because the crowd didn't move. So we made a U-turn and come back to stay in another bar from 4 p.m. to time that I left, which was around 8:30. The situation remained the same. People are moving like 1 meter per minute. Also, there the traffic control in place at the both end of the street. So when I was leaving, I saw a lot of people waiting in front of the gate to get inside. But even though you get inside, you can move like 1 meter per minute, which is not fun. So if you want to come to Khao San Road, you are in Songkran. I think the sweet spot is somewhere between 12 noon to 3 p.m. So be sure to come early. Alright, so this is the end of the video. So if you like the content like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.